Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at Casalon Apartments, building 315 and unit 128. They want to get it inspected and located. So we got our camera here in the bathroom. We're going to go ahead and put it in here and see where we're going and see what it looks like. Be right back. Alright, so I've went ahead and located this out in the front of the building. It's 7 feet 3 inches deep. I'll go ahead and push some more in and get a couple good locates on this, make sure we are where we are. So I'll be right back. Alright, so yeah, we've located this spot out front. It's full of roots and tissue. It's 7 feet 3 inches deep. There's no clean outs outside, so they've been having to run from inside, and you're only able to run a small cutter through there. So it's only been cutting a small hole through these roots in a 6-inch pipe. Definitely going to recommend it to be repaired and a clean out installed, so in the future they can just run out there, and if there is any backups they can just open it up from out there. But other than that, everything looks good. So yeah, this is where it comes to 4-inch and a 6-inch pipe here. You see it dives down and turns over and then dumps down into the pipe there. So you got another dive right here. So there's a bunch of dives and turns in this line. But other than that, everything else looks good. They're open at the moment. So like I said, recommend that clean out installed up there. Got another turn, another wire there. Another wire. Yep. Couple turns here and drops. Here we are at the stack. Alrighty, that's what you got. Thank you.